Good day everyone, we are the Group 1. For today's video report, we are going to present and discuss the problem statement, methodology, findings, and implication on the study entitled On the Effect of an Electronic Field Generated by Power and Fracture on the Spital Orientation of Developing Sea Truth Embryo Salmotruth Lenius. Author Crystallic Orchid Icon A, Trans Orchid Icon R, Peaceweed Orchid Icon A, Korzelka Orchid Icon, and Firmicutes, published on April 2024.
Statement of the problem. This study focused on examining the effects of electromagnetic fields generated by high voltage lines and power transformers, which are integral to transmission nodes and power plants, on the directional axis of symmetry in Seatroad Samotrota Linnaeus 1758. Embryos and their survival rates. How do anthropogenic electromagnetic fields generated by energy infrastructure survive?
Methodology. The study employed a systematic methodology to investigate the effects of electromagnetic fields on sea trout, Salmotruta, embryos. Fertilized eggs were collected from females using a pneumatic method, while milk from males was accessed for quality using CASA. Eggs were fertilized using the dry method, with the highest motility sperm and transported in thermoses to two experimental sites near the Delta Odra power plant and a control site 3 of anthropogenetic electromagnetic fields. The experimental sites were exposed to the varying electromagnetic field intensities generated by the high voltage line and transformers. Eggs are incubated under these conditions and data were collected on embryo, spatial orientation, embryogenesis rates, and survival. Electromagnetic field intensities were measured and motivated throughout the experiment to assess their impact on the developing embryos.
Findings. The study findings revealed that electromagnetic field originating from the energy in structure facilities significantly affect the spatial orientation of the sea trout embryos. The embryo's response was influenced by both the strength and direction of the electromagnetic field. At the first sight, lower field values cause deviation from the natural alignment exists in the geomagnetic field north-south, resulting in a shift toward the primary field.
Implications. The study highlights significant ecological implications, revealing that electromagnetic fields generated by energy infrastructure can disrupt the natural geomagnetic field, affecting the spatial orientation, embryogenesis, and survival rates of sea trout embryos. This effect may lead to long-term consequences for fish population, biodiversity, and aquatic ecosystem stability, particularly in areas near power plants and high voltage lines.
Increase mortality rates at higher electromagnetic field intensity also raise concerns about the sustainability of fish stocks vital for ecological balance and human activities. There's findings emphasize the need for mitigation strategies such as structure, shedding of rerouting, and call for further research on the broader impacts of electromagnetic field on aquatic ecosystem to inform sustainable environment management and policy making.